It's amazing to see that kind of spark in a kid's eye when you're working with spheros, when you're working with programming, when you're working with building.
Drones really are kind of the gateway to a lot of STEM careers.
When we're learning without knowing that we're learning, that's where the most fun happens.
It's our mission to help develop future leaders within engineering and science and technology.
You expose kids to all the possibilities of what they could do by learning about the various areas of STEM.
Robot is something new. There's not a lot of those drone camps out there.
Basically, it is a forum for children to come together as a novice or experienced into a team setting.
And it's teaching kids how to solve problems in the real world in the same kind of fun way as you do in a video game.
Our goal specifically is to make sure that they're working with the tech as much as possible.
When things click, it's always really exciting to watch that happening.
It's really good to see them kind of act on their own, to not just show them a step-by-step instruction booklet, but to give them an opportunity to experiment with the technology, to really get a feel for it.
They can't aspire to be something that they don't picture in their minds.
It's part of our goal as a program to teach the social responsibility of drones. How is this technology used now? How should it be used in the future?
As an instructor, it's our job to lead the students through, to show them step by step where we're going, but to give them the opportunity to experiment on their own, see what's fun, see what works, try things outside of the box, find solutions that I might not have thought of.
We offer an alternative to traditional learning and traditional summer camps.
Drones are so exciting, they get their attention. And once we have their attention, then we can fit all that other information inside their brains and show them that there is a world of possibility out there when it comes to science and math, engineering.
On the front end of a lot of our curriculum, we are educating, we're exposing, all kind of within this competitive environment that allows them to have fun and build teams and really kind of immerse themselves in their camp.
One of the top priorities here is fostering children to have an innovator's mind.
Seeing the excitement level increase over the course of the week and also watching them learn and seeing, the mistakes they're making on the first day, they're happening less and less. And so they're learning new things, and you watch new connections, sometimes with the programming challenges, when they realize that, what's happening.
From the beginning.
It's about engaging and creating a platform where people can recognize the wonders of flying robots, as well as create initiatives that allows us to expand on the education of STEM programs.
The instructors have the framework and the children have the flexibility to not always be careful, obviously in the safest sense of the words, but to not be careful, to break things, not intentionally, but through experimentation.
This summer, I learned about working with kids and about what is exciting for them about playing with drones and understanding and learning about those experiences as well.
Everything that we do here, from Drobots to STEM Quest to any activity, it's always the challenge.
I really like the way that Drobots helping children with STEM education and having fun with it at the same time.
I really feel that we're changing lives.
What makes Drobots different is the kids that it attracts, like within a camp. I think it's a little different.
Is something that is really not rivaled by anybody around the country.
There's nothing more rewarding than that, and that's what makes it worth it.
I'm glad to be doing what I love, and I'd love more people to be doing it.
Join on the corner where the big boys play.